In this video, I'm here to help you troubleshoot an older dryer that is no longer drying. It's basically wet. All right, so the first thing I want you to do is make sure you check your lint compartment and make sure that there's no lint in it. Okay, look at this amount of lint that my significant other left and has been drying clothes now for the last quarter of the year and has not been changing this out. Okay, that will make your clothes not dry. All right. Next thing I want you to do is when you have a load, make sure that it's not too wet going in. So what a lot of times will happen is that your washing cycle is not working. It's not getting all the water out. So if you notice, if your clothes are like drenched like rain, you put it in and you're like, it's not drying. It's not that the dryer's not working or that it takes too long. It's that the washing cycle is not working. And what the drying cycle does in the washer is it shakes the water out by moving it back and forth. If you notice that cycle is not working, then it's actually an issue with your washer and not your dryer. So check your clothes and make sure they're not too wet before you put it in here. Thirdly, what you can do is open up the back, and I'm not going to do it here, but open up the back, and there's going to be like this gigantic hose, which, it's about, 8 inches in diameter. Go ahead, it's got little clips. Go ahead and take it out, and make sure that there's no lint in that, because that will cause obstruction. And you can usually just grab the lint out when you do that. And the third thing to do is look outside where the lint's blowing outside and make sure that you don't have anything obstructing the lint from going outside. A lot of times it's connected to the wall, you'll see, or on the side of the house. And make sure that there's not something obstructing it, like leaves or something like that. Because what will happen is then lint will build up there and it has no way of drying. It's very simple to clean out. I'm not going to show you in this video, but make sure that there's no lint obstruction. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.